We're at Universal Orlando Resort.
We're going to Islands of Adventure, and it's just us, no kids.
No kids.
So we outside.
We're fine.
We made it to the parking lot. Now where do we
We're
go?
at ET.
ET. We got ET on the bench. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Well, we're not there. Yeah, this is just like this is a free ticket to obviously before the actual parks. Which this is actually nice. If you're just gonna come here for the day and chill, that's not bad at all. We'll be here. We're actually in here. We were in the beginning, and now we're here. Haven't been vlogging too much because we've just been living, but
And we're alone without kids.
right. So I can
we're
actually
gonna have
pull the
fun.
camera out and actually,
Enjoy.
you know what I'm saying? We do not even know where we're going, but yeah.
I'm feeling the drops.
Nice. Doing drops?
I feel drops.
But that was like right away. Let's take a beat.
What is this?
And mommy? Oh.
No, the mummy's not on this one. The mummy's on the other one. Yeah. This is a closed off attraction. I actually seen this. This is something on Poseidon, but that thing is closed off. They closed it in 2023, I think. I don't know, but I seen that.
Oh my god, we gotta get a butterbeer.
Yeah, we gotta get some butterbeer. Woo-hoo. We made it.
I'm gonna cry.
This is what I wanted to take my girl to.
I'm gonna cry. I think I'm getting a little bit watery.
Kind of cool. It's freezing. It's been swimming all day.
It's kind of cold and freezing. Sheesh. Wow, you in a candy store. Like a kid in a candy store. I need a butterbeer for sure. Do you get to keep the cup after or what? The butterbeer, they have plastic ones too. Or I don't know if those.
Jeez.
I'm gonna ask the girl. Is this the only place to get butterbeer, right? Should I ask him?
Yeah.
Excuse me, is this the only place to get butterbeer?
No, the restaurant behind you has butterbeer. The bar has butterbeer. There's another cart up there that has butterbeer, and both carts are double-sided.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
See, you go all in one line. They think that's the first butterbeer they see. We gotta go somewhere else. This line looks shorter than the other one, right? Oh, what?
What do you want to do? Wait, what do you want?
No, I know you want butterbeer, so we're getting butterbeer. Do you not want butterbeer?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what do you want? This is what we're doing. We go. All right. Women. We got a frozen butterbeer.
And then we got a non-frozen one.
Alright, you try this one first.
So we'll try both those. That one. Oh my god, that looks so good.
Okay, try some of this first.
Sweet, delicious.
Oh, yeah. It's like
Make it a little
like
bit.
a butter.
Make it a little bit so I can go under. What do you think?
It's like that candy, that butter candy. Like the butterscotch. Now this. There you go. What you expected? Or?
I like it.
You like it? Or
I like it. I feel like the foam makes it like
sweet?
sweet and it's good. Because the red, I don't know how I feel about the red. You don't have a taste to it, right? Definitely
it.
like this one better.
I like it. I like
Which
both.
one do you like?
I like both of them. If you like this one better, I'll take this one. You want that one better?
We can go half and half because I don't think
Well, yeah, I'll probably love this, but I'll drink this one. That's fine. You can if you don't. I'm gonna have the
I
regular
like
butterbeer.
it, but
I'll take that regular butterbeer for me.
yeah,
But I felt the same about that one. I feel like that one didn't really have a taste, and this one tasted more for me.
one has a better taste than that.
Yeah.
This
So-
one has a better taste than this one.
And this one has a better taste than that one. So guess what? Perfect. Alright, bye. This one's crying because I told her we'll get a shirt later. Grown ass woman crying for a t-shirt.
It's okay. I got my own money.
Oh yeah, I own on me. And she's gonna be a bit. I don't care. Spend your money on a dang shirt. Yeah. Grown ass woman, you see that? Crybaby. I'm already lit. I drink my butterbeer. Yeah, it's good. It's non-alcoholic. So is that Hagrid's crib? It's definitely Hagrid's crib, right?
Looks like it, right?
Yeah. That's Hagrid's crib for sure. Wow. Oh, yeah. So we waited like an hour and a half for the Hagrid ride, and it didn't even get on because of that lightning. So we're gonna try to do anything that we could do indoors while we're here.
Yep.
Because it's obviously you see it's fucking raining wet everywhere.
Nothing stop us.
Right. But yeah, we've been here since probably like 3:30 and haven't done anything but drink a butterbeer.
And eat.
Right, and yeah, we just ate
I've been still there waiting.
some fries and some gyros. But as long as we're having fun and we're here together and enjoying time.
Yep. We don't get to do this all the time.
You see that? How about these ponchos? I was like, yes, sir, look at that. We're lucky. There's people out here soaked and wet. So we just went through the Amazing Spider-Man.
It was so fun. I loved it.
No, it was fire. It was way too fun. I swear. Like it was more. I thought I because I don't know how the experiences are here, but I'm not here. But I've been to Universal. But that one was OD. Like I really felt like it was upside down. Oh my gosh,
That was crazy.
that was fire. The lightning's still out here, but it ain't stopping nobody.
No. Taking a
How'd you love it? You loved it?
I loved it. Wait, 10 out of 10.
That show, that was OD.